Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. At this point, I'm recording this agenda video for April 5th, 2021. For April 5th, 2021, you will be working in the red subfolder at the top of the Schoology page. You're going to start off class with 15 minutes of silent reading, and then you are going to log that in the silent reading folder. Do remember that your slides project is due today, and there will be the discussion post for you to submit that moved into that folder. Along with that, you can find your slides, project directions, and information for your creative writing in this folder. Please make sure to work on your creative short story. That'll be due on the 12th of April. Also, any assignments that you want to submit that are missing can be found in Schoology with the little orange dot in the Schoology gradebook next to it, and it must be completed and submitted by midnight on the 5th of April in order to get points for marking period 3. Alrighty everybody, those are the directions for the 5th of April. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.